For countless individuals over the age of 60, the simple act of getting a good night's sleep can feel like an unattainable goal. Many find themselves caught in a frustrating cycle where deep restorative slumber is replaced by short, restless nights. They've followed the common advice, trying everything from prescription sleeping pills to supplements like melatonin. They've brewed countless cups of calming herbal teas, hoping for relief. Yet, despite their best efforts, the result is often the same. They wake up each morning with a profound sense of fatigue, feeling as if they haven't truly rested at all. What might come as a surprise is that a powerful solution could already be sitting in your kitchen. Ginger, that familiar, humble root, may hold the key to completely transforming the quality of your sleep. But ginger is far more than just a spice to liven up a meal. For centuries, it has been revered as a natural remedy with a remarkable ability to warm the body, relax the nervous system, and significantly improve blood circulation. These are all essential factors that create the perfect conditions for your body to drift into a deep sleep entirely without the need for medication. Today, modern science is catching up to this ancient wisdom, confirming that ginger contains powerful bioactive compounds. These compounds have been shown to reduce inflammation, help stabilize the heart rate, and regulate nerve activity, providing a natural and holistic support system for your body's sleep cycle. In this guide, I will share with you 3 simple yet incredibly effective ways to use ginger at home to dramatically improve your sleep. All of these methods are easy to prepare, completely safe for most people, and highly effective. In fact, the first method we'll discuss has the potential to bring noticeable, positive changes in just a few days. If getting high-quality sleep is important to you, I encourage you to read this entire guide so you don't miss out on the most crucial details. And if you're searching for a natural, sustainable solution for better sleep, this is the perfect place to start. So, how can a simple root from your kitchen have such a big impact on your sleep? It might seem strange, but the way ginger works is actually very intuitive. It doesn't knock you out like a sleeping pill. Instead, it gently prepares your body for rest by doing 3 key things: creating warmth, calming your nerves, and helping your body switch to night mode. 1. It creates a gentle internal warmth. Think about how hard it is to fall asleep when you feel cold, especially if your feet are like ice blocks. A warm, comfortable body is a relaxed body. Ginger acts like a gentle internal furnace. When you consume it, it helps to improve your blood circulation. Imagine your blood vessels are like highways. Over time and with stress, traffic can get congested, making it hard for warmth and nutrients to get to every part of your body, like your hands and feet. Ginger contains natural compounds that help these highways widen just a little, allowing blood to flow more freely. This improved flow is what creates that pleasant, lasting warmth from the inside out, making your entire body feel cozy and ready for sleep. 2. It calms your body's alarm system. Have you ever tried to sleep when your mind is racing? It feels like an alarm is going off in your head that you can't shut off. This is your nervous system stuck in high gear. Stress from the day keeps your body on high alert, making it impossible to relax. The special ingredients in ginger act like a volume knob for this internal alarm. They have a natural calming effect on your nerves, gently turning down the noise and tension. Think of it like a tense muscle finally being allowed to unclench. As your nervous system quiets down, your heart rate naturally slows, your breathing deepens, and your body gets the clear message that the day is over and it is safe to unwind. 3. It helps flip the sleep switch. Your body has a natural clock that's supposed to run on 2 different settings: day mode and night mode. During the day, your body produces hormones like cortisol. Think of this as your go, go, go signal. At night, it's supposed to switch over and produce hormones that promote rest, like melatonin. Sometimes, especially when we're stressed or as we get older, that go, go, go switch gets stuck in the on position at night. Ginger can help with this. Studies suggest that it helps lower the stress signals that keep you awake. At the same time, it can encourage your brain to produce more serotonin, a chemical that not only makes you feel good, but is also a necessary ingredient for your body to make its own natural melatonin. In short, ginger doesn't give you a sleeping potion. It helps your own body remember how to make its own. When you combine these three effects, the gentle warmth, the calm nerves, and the signal to rest, you create the perfect conditions for deep, natural sleep. It's a gradual and gentle process, which is why you might notice a small difference the first night and a bigger one after a few nights of consistency. It's your body relearning its natural rhythm. Of course, if your sleep problems are caused by a serious medical issue, it's always best to talk to your doctor. But for many, a warm cup of ginger tea or a foot soak can be the simple, effective signal your body needs to finally rest. Now that you understand why ginger can act as a natural sleep signal for the body, it's time to choose the method that best suits your lifestyle and preferences. In this section, I will share 3 distinct ways to use ginger, ranked from number 3 to number 1, progressing from the simplest to the most powerful. This structure will allow you to easily get started and gradually increase the effectiveness as you become more comfortable. Method number 3 will serve as a gentle warm-up, easy to apply and suitable for most people. Method number 2 will have a more direct and potent effect on the nervous system and circulation. Finally, method number 1 is the most comprehensive formula designed to bring a double benefit for both your sleep and your overall health. Method 3, ginger and rock sugar tea. This is an extremely simple recipe made with inexpensive and easy to find ingredients, yet it can bring a clear sense of warmth and relaxation in just a few days. This recipe has existed for a very long time in many folk remedies and is especially favored by older adults or those who do mentally demanding work to help them reduce stress before sleep. As we've discussed, ginger contains gingerol and shogal, 2 compounds that are scientifically proven to help dilate blood vessels. This action increases blood flow to the brain and helps reduce the overactivity of the nervous system. When your nervous system is less tense, your heart rate naturally becomes more stable and calm. Your brain can then more easily switch from an active alert mode to a rest mode, and sleep will come much more naturally. Rock sugar does more than just create a gentle, pleasant sweetness. In traditional medicine, it is considered to have a cooling property that perfectly balances the intense warmth of the ginger, preventing the drinker from feeling any unpleasant heat or dryness in the mouth. The light sweetness also has a relaxing effect on the taste buds, acting like a soft, comforting signal to the brain that the body is safe and ready for rest. The preparation is very simple. Take half of a fresh ginger root, wash it well, and slice it thinly. You do not need to peel it. Place the ginger slices in a pot with about half a liter, approximately 2 cups, of water and bring it to a boil. Once the water boils, add a small amount of rock sugar to taste. Stir well until it dissolves. Lower the heat and let it simmer gently for about 5 more minutes to fully infuse the water. When it comes to drinking it, it is best to enjoy this tea while it is still warm. The ideal time is at noon or in the afternoon. This timing allows you to maintain the warming effect on your body throughout the day while also helping to relax your mind well before bedtime. It's important to remember not to drink it too close to bedtime, as this could make you feel too full and potentially disrupt your sleep. With just a few days of consistency, you will likely notice your body feeling lighter, your mind feeling calmer, and at night, sleep coming faster and feeling deeper. Method 2, soaking your feet with ginger and salt. After getting familiar with Method 3, a simple drink that warms the body from within, we will now move to a method with a stronger, more direct effect that doesn't require you to drink a single drop. This is a technique that many older adults use every single night because it is incredibly pleasant, helps to induce deep relaxation right before sleep, and crucially, takes advantage of the skin's ability to absorb ginger's active compounds directly into the peripheral circulatory system. Drinking ginger is not the only way to reap its benefits. It can also powerfully support sleep through direct action on the feet, which are home to dozens of important acupressure points connected to vital organs like the heart and brain, as well as the entire nervous system. When you soak your feet in warm ginger water mixed with salt, the blood vessels in your feet expand, which dramatically improves circulation throughout your lower body. This improved circulation reduces the workload on your heart, helps your brain receive an ample supply of oxygen and nutrients, and activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest state in which your body is most ready to fall asleep. In addition, the salt in this formula helps to increase the warming effect of the ginger while also providing mild antibacterial and anti-inflammatory support for your feet. For those who often suffer from cold feet, numbness, or difficulty sleeping due to poor circulation, this method is truly like a professional relaxation therapy you can do at home. The preparation is very simple. Take half of a fresh ginger root, wash it thoroughly, and crush it or grate it. Crushing it helps the active compounds dissolve more easily into the water. Prepare a basin of warm water at a comfortable temperature, ideally between 104 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. Add the crushed ginger and 1 tablespoon of salt. Epsom salt or sea salt works well, and stir everything together. The water should be warm enough to create a deep heating sensation, but not hot enough to cause discomfort or burns. How to use it is straightforward. Soak your feet for about 20 minutes right before you plan to go to bed. While you're soaking, gently massage the soles of your feet and your toes to further improve blood circulation. After soaking, dry your feet thoroughly and immediately put on a pair of thin socks to keep them warm throughout the night. Wearing socks not only helps to retain the heat for longer, but also maintains the dilation of the blood vessels after the soak, so blood continues to flow smoothly and your body doesn't cool down suddenly. Warm feet help the nerves relax more deeply, and you'll find that sleep will come much faster. Just a few consecutive nights of practicing this, and you will likely feel significantly more relaxed, sleep more deeply, and wake up with a clear head and noticeably warm hands and feet. There are a few important notes to remember when soaking your feet. If you have open wounds, ulcers, or infections on your feet, you should not soak them. People with diabetes who have severe vascular obstruction or venous insufficiency, those who have just undergone surgery, or those with serious heart disease should consult a doctor before trying this method. Also, when you have a high fever, have just consumed alcohol, or are feeling extremely fatigued, you should avoid soaking. Here are 2 simple rules. First, the water should be warm, not hot, about 104 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. This is to prevent burns. Second, do not soak for more than 30 minutes. If you soak too long, your body starts to cool down instead. Method 1, ginger, honey, and lemon tea. After warming the body from the outside with method 2, we will now move on to the strongest and most comprehensive formula, one that works directly from within. This is a method that many people treat as a cherished evening ritual because it not only helps to significantly improve sleep, but also works to boost the immune system and bring about a calmer, more peaceful state of mind. The special thing about this formula is that it combines 3 powerful ingredients at once, with each one performing its own specific task. Ginger warms the body, dilates blood vessels, and eases tension in the nervous system. Honey, with its natural sugars, helps to stabilize blood sugar levels through the night, preventing wake-ups from a blood sugar dip, and gently stimulates the body to produce serotonin, which is then converted into the sleep hormone melatonin so you can fall asleep more easily. Lemon, used in a moderate amount, adds a gentle, uplifting aroma and a light tang that soothes the throat and provides a welcome boost of vitamin C to keep your body healthier overall. When these 3 ingredients combine, you get a cup of tea that is simultaneously warm, fragrant, and incredibly pleasant to drink. The spicy warmth of the ginger blends perfectly with the light, comforting sweetness of the honey and the refreshing tang of the lemon to create a sense of deep relaxation from the very first sip. For many people, the simple act of sitting and sipping this tea while listening to soft music or reading a few pages of a book is enough to slow the body down, ease the mind, and allow sleep to come naturally and peacefully. The preparation is very simple. Boil about half a liter, 2 cups of water. Once boiling, add 4 to 6 slices of fresh, washed ginger. Lower the heat and let it simmer for about 5 more minutes so that the essence of the ginger is fully released into the water. Turn off the heat and let the water cool slightly for a minute or two. Then add 1 tablespoon of raw, unprocessed honey and the juice from 1/4 to, at most, half a lemon, depending on your taste. Stir well and drink it while it's warm for the best flavor and effect. It is best to drink this tea about 1 hour before your intended bedtime. This gives your body enough time to absorb the nutrients, warm up from within, and send the clear signal to your brain that it is time to relax and prepare for sleep. If you have a sensitive stomach, it is best to use only a small amount of lemon juice to avoid any potential discomfort. Before finishing, I want to remind you of a few important points to ensure you are using ginger safely and effectively. First, when preparing your ginger, do not peel it. The skin contains many beneficial nutrients. Just wash it clean. Second, never use ginger that is bruised, moldy, or damaged. Damaged ginger can produce a toxin that is harmful to the liver and over time could increase certain health risks. Third, remember that ginger is a warming ingredient, so do not overuse it. In particular, do not drink very concentrated ginger water continuously for many months, as this could put unnecessary pressure on the liver and stomach. There are also certain cases where ginger should not be used to treat insomnia. This includes situations where you have a high fever or heat stroke, if you have active liver, lung, or stomach disease, severe diabetes, uncontrolled high blood pressure, or skin boils or infections. Finally, to truly improve your sleep for the long term, do not rely on ginger alone. You should combine its use with a healthy diet, proper rest, a relaxed mind, and avoiding stimulants such as coffee, alcohol, and cigarettes in the evening. By remembering these points and using ginger correctly, it can become a safe, reliable ally to help you sleep more deeply without having to worry about side effects. Good sleep is not a matter of luck. It is the result of the right signals you send to your body each night. And ginger, a small yet powerful ingredient, can be one of the most natural, safe, and easy tools for those over 60. Today I have shared with you 3 ways to use ginger: drinking it gently with rock sugar, relaxing with a foot soak, and enjoying a warm cup of ginger, honey, and lemon tea. Each method has its own unique benefits, fitting different habits and health conditions. You do not need to do all 3 at once. Just choose the one method you find easiest to apply. Try it tonight and notice how your body feels the next morning. If you find yourself sleeping more deeply and feeling more at ease, you are on the right path.